Today we want to discuss about the linear equation in one variable exercise 3.2 children. Exercise 3.2 children. So children, what is the first question? So you want to read children. Exercise 3.2 first question. See children, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply by the result is 1 by 2, you get 1 by 2. What is that number? Children, you subtract 1 by 2 a number. So we don't know that number. Children, now we want to take, let the number be, x children. Because we don't know, that's why. We want to subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Correct children? How we can take there also? X minus 1 by 2. Correct children? You subtract from 1 by 2 from a number and multiple by the result is 1 by 2. Correct children? How we can take this one? You want to take into 1 by 2. The result is getting of 1 by 8. What is that? Now, see students, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that's why let the number be x. The subtraction symbol is minus 2. X minus 1 by 2 into multiply by 1 by 2, getting the result is 1 by 2. Correct children? That's why we want to multiple children here. 1 by 2 into x is equal to how much children? That is x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. It is equal to minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Correct children? So children, now we want to take here 2 and 4 is there. We want to take LCM. That is LCM is 4 children. 2 and 4, the LCM is what children? 4 children. Now we want to take x by 2 into LCM is 4 minus 1 by 4 into LCM is 4 all divided by LCM is equal to 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Correct children? You want to cancel children. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Correct children? This 4 will cancel. Correct children? How we can find out? 2 into x is 2x. Correct children? Minus 1 into 1. Correct. How we can take this one also? Minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Correct children? Now you want to divide this one denominator. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 2. Children, it is easily cancelled because this is denominator, this is also denominator. You want to divide means it is easily cancelled. So we can take this one 2x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. You want to cross multiple children. 2 into x is then also 2 into 2 4x. There is also 4x minus 1 is equal to 1 children. Correct children? 4x is equal to 1 is there. This minus 1 will transport into the RHS means plus 1. Correct children? This is plus 1. X is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. This 4 will come into denominator children. Right as it is. The value of x is equal to 1 by 2. Correct children? That x is equal to what is that? 1 by 2. Any doubt children here? See children? So one number is subtracted from 1 by 2 and multiplied by 1 by 2. Getting the result is 1 by 2. What is that number? So let the number be x children. You want to take subtracted number x minus symbol subtraction is minus. X minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Correct children? Want to multiply 1 by 2 into x is x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Children, now we want to take LCM 2, 4. 2 and 4 LCM is x by 2 into LCM is 4 minus 1 by 4 into LCM is 4 all divided by LCM is equal to 1 by 8. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4 1s is cancelled. 2 into x is 2x minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. See children, since denominator 4 is there, here also denominator 8 is there. We can calculate, can also cancel easily. 4 1s are 4 2s are. What to write children as it is 2x minus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So children, you want to cross multiple. 2 into 2x is 4x. Correct children? So children, sorry 1 minute, here there also small mistake is there. 1 minute children, what is that? This is 2 into 2x is 4x minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equal to 1 children. So children, this is you want to correct that one. 4x is there is equal to 1. This minus 3 will come into right hand side is minus 2 will come into right hand side is plus 2. Correct children? 4x is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 children. Now we want to write x is equal to 3 is there. This 4 will come into denominator, that is x is equal to 3 by 2. Correct children? This is correct answer, not 1 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2 children. That is you want to correct this. You can understood children? Children, next you want to go to next question. What is that next question? Children, you want to take next question. Shall I write children this one? Okay. So you want to take next question. Children, the perimeter of a rectangle, the swimming pool is 154 meter and length is 2 meter more than the twice the breadth. What is the length and breadth of a pool? Children, first you want to take rectangle. The swimming pool has also rectangle shape children. So this is ABCD is a rectangle. Correct children? The given the perimeter of a swimming pool. Correct? The perimeter of a rectangle. Now you want to take children. Solution. ABCD is a rectangular swimming pool. ABCD is a rectangular swimming pool. Rectangular swimming pool. Correct children? This is rectangular swimming pool. The given perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 150 meter. The given 150 meter. So children, what is the identity of perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 of L plus B. Correct children? The given perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 150 meter. PR means perimeter of a rectangle. Children, now you want to write 150 is equal to 2 of L plus B. So children, the given here length is, okay, the perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 150. Correct children? This is not 154 meter. Correct? So children, now you want to take, if the length is 2 meter more than the twice of the breadth, that's why you want to take children, let breadth be x, children. Correct? Breadth b, you want to take, what we can take, that is also whatever it is b you want to take. Breadth b you want to take b or x, whatever it is. Breadth b you want to take children, only b. Correct children? Next length, you want to take length is b. So length is children, now you want to take length is 2 meter more than the plus twice of the breadth. Twice means 2 into b. Correct children? L is equal to 2 plus b. Correct children? Length is 2 meter more than the twice of the breadth. That's why children you want to take here L is equal to, what is that? 2 plus 2b. 2 plus 2b plus breadth means element and also b children, right? As it is, that is b. Correct children? Don't confuse it. See children, ABCD is a rectangular swimming pool. The perimeter of a rectangle they given 154 meter. Perimeter of a rectangle identity is 2 of L plus b. We don't know the given, let the breadth is b. The length is 2 meter more than the twice of the breadth. That's why you want to take 2 meter more means plus twice of the breadth means 2 into b. Correct children? So now you want to substitute, right, as it is 154. Correct children? This 2 will come into left hand side is divided by 2 is equal to, children see that 2 right as it is plus 2b plus b is equal to how much children? 3b. Correct children? This is 3b. Children, now we want to divide this one. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, and again also 2 sevens are 14. Correct children? 2 sevens are 14. Right as it is 77 is equal to 2 plus 3b. So children, this 2 will transport into the left hand side means 77. This 2 will transport into the left hand side means minus 2 is equal to 3b. 77 minus 2 is equal to how much children? 75 is equal to 3b. Correct children? Children, now we want to find only b. B is equal to 75 is there. This 3 will come into left hand side means that is also denominator. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Breadth is equal to how much children? Breadth is equal to 25 meter. So already they given length is equal to 2 meter more than the twice of the breadth. So now you want to write children, this is 2 plus 2 into the value of breadth is equal to 25. Correct children? What is that? 2 plus 25 2s are 50. So length is equal to how much children? 52 meter. Correct. See children, ABCD is a rectangular swimming pool. The perimeter given 154 meter. We want to find the length of the breadth. Okay children, the perimeter of the rectangle identity is 2 of L plus B. 154 perimeter rectangle is given 2, right? So how you can then also find out length and breadth they given? The length is 2 meter more than the twice of the breadth. That's why you want to take breadth is equal to B and the length is 2 plus 2. So you want to substitute. L is equal to 2 plus 2B, breadth is B. Want to add children. 150 for this 2 will come into LHS means denominator will come in. So 2 as is there. Then also 2B plus B is 3B. So 154 by 2 means 77 is equal to 2 plus 3B. This 2 will come to left hand side means minus 2 is equal to 3. 77 minus 2 is equal to 75 is equal to 3B. B is equal to 75 by 3. Want to divide it. 3 ones are 3 25s are. Breadth is equal to 25. Length is equal to 2 plus 2B. Right, 2 plus 2. Breadth value want to substitute. Breadth is equal to 25. 2 plus 25 2 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. Length is equal to 52. Correct children. So this is our children. Children, you want to take next question. What is that next question? Shall I answer this one? Okay. Thank you children. Children, what is that next question? You want to check this. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is 4, 2 by 3, 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal sides? Correct children. Now you want to take. So the given isosceles triangle means what children? Isosceles triangle is 2 sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Isosceles triangle they given. The base of an isosceles triangle is given children. This is 4 by 3 and the perimeter of a triangle they given. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to, already know that children, 3 sides you can add AB plus BC plus CA. Correct children? Children, the perimeter they already given. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to the given children 4 2 by 15 centimeter. Correct children? And the base already they given. Base is BC. Right as it is AB plus then also BC means 4 by 3 children and CA means right as it is CA. Because AB is equal to AC children. We don't know means you want to take X only. AB is equal to X and AC is equal to X. Because isosceles triangle 2 sides are equal. Children, here mixed fraction they given. You want to convert fraction. 4 into 15 is 60. 60 plus 2 is 62 by 15 centimeter. 62 by 15 centimeter is equal to AB we don't know. You want to take X. plus this 4 by 3 right as it is, and CA also you want to take x children, correct children? So 62 by 15 is there right as it is, 62 by 15. Children, this 4 by 3 will come to left hand side, means minus 4 by 3. So children, now you want to take here 1x is there, here also 1x is there. X plus x, how much children? 2x. Children, now we want to find the LCM of 15, 3. 3 and 15 LCM is 15 children. LCM of 3 and 15 is 3 ones are 3 fives are correct. 3 into 1 into 5 LCM is equal to how much children? 15. This is LCM. So children, we want to take 62 by 15 into LCM minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 into LCM all divided by LCM is equal to 2x children. Correct children? So 15 ones are 15 will cancel. Children, now we want to take 3 ones are 3 fives are correct children? So you want to multiply 1 into 62 is 62 minus 5 into 4 is 20. Correct children? How much? 20 divided by 15 is equal to 2x. Children, 62 minus 20 is how much children? 62 minus 20 is 42. Children, now we can cross multiple. 15 into 2 is how much children? So how about then also? It is also 30. Or we want to write this is 30x. Correct children? Children, now we want to take this one. X is equal to 42 by 30. Okay, children, you want to reduce this one. So it is reduced. How you can reduce it also? 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 children. And this is also you want to take 2 15 jar. Children, and 15 and 21 is divisible of 3 children. Now you want to take this is 3 7 jar and 3 5 jar. So what is the value of that also? X is equal to 7 by 5. The side of length AB is equal to BC is equal to how much children? AB is equal to BC is equal to 7 by then also 5 centimeter. Any doubt children this one? See children once again. The perimeter 4 12 by centimeter and base they given. Base is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter. We want to find the length of the other sides. So isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So first you want to take perimeter of a triangle formula AB plus BC plus CA. The given perimeter 4 2 by 15 and AB. BC the given 4 by 3. CA we don't. So AB is equal to BC means you want to take x. This is mixed fraction is there. You want to convert fraction. 15 for the 60 plus 2 is 62 by 15. AB value is x and CA value is equal to x 4 by 3. 62 by 15 is equal to x plus x 2x. Children, this plus 4 by 3 will come to left hand side is minus 4 by 3. Children, 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2x. Children, now we want to talk then also take 15 and the LCM is 15 children. 62 by 15 into 15 minus 4 by 3 into 15 or divided by 15 is equal to 2x. 15 ones are 15, 3 5s are 15. Correct children? You want to multiply 62 ones are 62 minus 4 5s are 20 divided by 15 is equal to 2x. Correct children? 62 minus 20 is how much children? 42 is equal to 15 into 2 is a cross multiple. You want to cross multiple is 30x. X is equal to 42 by 30. Children, you want to reduce. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 15s are 30. Children, again you want to reduce this one. 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 50. So the value of AB is equal to BC is equal to how much children? 7 by 5 centimeter. See children, here AB is equal to not BC, AB is equal to AC. BC is the base. This is AB is equal to AC children, not BC. Correct children? This is only you want to correct it. AB is equal to AC is equal to how much? 7 by 5 centimeter. You can understand children? Thank you children.